क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन में what matters before the court, that what not to speak rather than what to speak, because what not to speak may lead you to the problem. I'll give you one very basic example of it. So what happened in this case, it was a case of murder, and this murder took place on the eve of Diwali between 12 to 1 in night. So when the question was asked, in how much distance you were standing when the murder was committed, so he said I was standing at least in like 200 to 300 meters. And then he said, what was the time in that time when you witnessed? He said it was a winter foggy night around 12 to 1. Now next question should not have been asked by the counsel, and by mistake, in over enthusiasm, he asked next question. And the next question he asked is कि आप इतनी दूर खड़े थे, आप 200-300 मीटर पे खड़े थे, तो आप ये कैसे कह सकते हैं कि आपने मर्डर को देखा है? Then witness replied कि सर दीवारी थी, लाइट जल रही थी हर तरफ की, तो मुझे दिख गया. That was the question which was very damaging question. अब अगर वो क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन वहीं पर रुक जाता, जो काउंसिल थे अगर वो एक्सप्लेनेशन ही नहीं आने देते इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट का कि आपने फिर कैसे देख लिया, तो फाइनल आर्गुमेंट के टाइम पे ये आर्गुमेंट किया जा सकता था कोर्ट में that the witness was standing in the distance of 300 meter. It was the night at least around 12 to 1. That was the time of incident. It is not possible for any witness to see the incident in the foggy night at around 12 to 1 in night. But that explanation कि लाइट जल रही थी, कार की भी लाइट जल रही थी, जो स्ट्रीट लाइट थी वो भी जल रही थी, that became the damaging question for the side of the defense. So same thing goes in the diplomacy also. Sometimes what matters is not to speak rather than what to speak. So this is one of the important things you need to take.